Hi, my name is Uri Wolfson, and I'm going to present our paper, Geographic Region Monitoring by Drones in Adversarial Environments. So we consider a situation where a region is monitored by drones. The region is divided into square cells, and each cell has a drone that is responsible for it. And it hovers above the cell, and it detects activities that occur in the cell. And the blue drones here, the blue tokens here, indicate the responsible drones. Also, there is an adversary that generates fake activities, and therefore, in order to detect whether an activity is genuine or fake, the responsible drone requests reinforcement by another drone. For example, stereo vision is necessary. So all the reinforcement requests are serviced by an extra drone, which is not responsible for any cell, but is simply providing these reinforcements that are requested. And the reinforcement is requested by flooding a message throughout this network until it reaches the extra. And what we're looking for is an algorithm that minimizes the worst case response time. So the most natural one is the naive algorithm, in which if the extra is here and the activity is here, then it flies along the shortest path and provides the reinforcement. The downside of this is that the response time depends on the distance between the caller, which is the calling cell, and the extra, which was here. And this process continues in the naive algorithm, but what we want to the contribution of the paper is the coordinated path algorithm, in which this reinforcement is provided in a single time unit. And it's done by finding a Manhattan path between the extra and the caller. And this is the Manhattan path. And each responsible drone along this path hops to the next drone, to the next cell along the path, and the last hopping drone is providing the reinforcement. So as you can see here, the reinforcement moved from here to here in a single time unit. And the results of the paper are as follows. Assuming that there are M cells in the system and it takes one time unit to traverse a side of the cell, then the naive algorithm has a worst case response time of order M square, and the CPH algorithm has a worst case response time of order M. Now, in terms of the number of fake activations or the effort of the adversary in order to produce the worst case response time, it is order M in both cases, which means that with the same amount of resources, the adversary produces M times more damage in the naive algorithm. Thank you very much.